Hi, here I have Samsung Galaxy smartphone and let me show you how to turn off your device with the screen lock protection. So let's begin. Let's imagine the situation that you've got the screen lock pattern, pin or some other protection and you forgot it and you would like to simply switch off your device. It's not so easy because if you press the power key with the volume down, you will see this menu. And if you tap power off twice, you still need to input your pattern. But if you keep holding the power key with volume down longer, you need to keep holding them until the phone goes black, but you need to release them really quickly when it goes black. Right here, the device is turned off. If you hold those keys longer, even for 1 second, the device will automatically restart, but if you release them immediately when the phone goes black, the phone will be turned off. As you can see right here, the device doesn't react. And if you would like to switch off your phone, you can start holding the side button with the volume down again. And the phone is restarting into a normal mode. So it's really easy, just keep holding the power key with the volume down until the phone goes black, release them immediately and the phone will turn off. Now let me just show you that the device is switching on into a normal mode. And that's it. So, thank you for watching, please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up under the video.